Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is a KERUI alarm system, siren security, remote wireless with the motion sensor and also with the door sensor as well. It comes with the 3 wireless remote and then 1 horn. It is good for a home, apartment, office, or any of your business. Recently there are like a lot of home invasion and break-in, so it is a good idea if you guys are going to travel and have a vacation or just to have some kind of protection. Let me give you guys a description real quick. The horn support up to 30 of wireless detectors, 8 remote key fob, and then 4 doorbells buttons. It has a door window contact detect any forceful break-ins. Has a passive motion sensor detect any suspicious movement or activity. The remote control can use to arm, disarm, SOS alarm within 250 feet from the siren unobstructed. And then powerhouse alarm. Once the pair sensors are tripped, the siren will sound an urgent up to 110 decibel for 2 minutes unless you disarm it by remote. And then the power supplies is AC from 110 to 220 volt. Wireless operation frequency is 433 megahertz. Working environment stability is 0 to 55 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity is 40% to 70%. Inside this package is one of the host horn or speaker, and then 5 wireless PIR motion sensor or detector, 5 wireless door sensor, and then 3 wireless key fob, 1 English instruction manual, mounting hardware included. So enough of those mumbo jumbo. Let's go ahead and then get into the unboxing. Actually, I got this from order from China and got here pretty quick. Let me see when I ordered this. I ordered this on March 17th, and I believe I got this on March 30th. I'm just getting into this unboxing for you guys real quick. I got so many unboxing and everything, so finally get to it. So let's go ahead and cut this open. So when it's coming out from China or Hong Kong, normally they have a wrapper wrapping it on the outside. So let's get into the unboxing, just in a cardboard box. So you got this bubble wrap. So here are some of the mounting plastic clips. And here is the horn. Pretty small size actually. And there's your adapter. Inside the horn it is red. And then here's your mounting bracket right here. That looks like an antenna right there. So this comes with this adapter. So it says 110 to 240 volt, 50 hertz or 60 hertz. Output is 9 volt DC, 1 amp. And it is made in China. Let's dump everything out. So I got 3 of this key fob. Open one real quick. Hopefully it comes with the batteries already. Oh yeah, so it lights up. So there is your lock, unlock, alarm bell. I'm not sure what is the S, but it is pretty nice. Come with this cover, so you won't scratch it or damage it. And also with the antenna, so you get a longer range. And then they come with this double-sided tape. So I guess one goes with the window sensor, and the other one, it goes with the magnetic strip. So this is the window sensor, and then here's the magnetic strip, and then each of this magnetic strip, you tape it on the back if you don't want to screw it in. Okay. Hopefully that one has a battery in there already. Let me check it out. Come with this zip lock bag. You can hear it clicking. But how come the light doesn't goes on and off? Let's see, maybe there's a sticker or what. Alright, so here is the battery installed and everything already. So I had to, oh yeah, there's a sticker right here. Okay, so you gotta remove it. Oh, there you go. Alright, so you gotta remove the sticker and then get ready for installation. So this one is active. Well, I got to program it, so we'll see. And then it comes with this motion sensor. Got 5 of this motion sensor on. I wonder what kind of battery this thing is, but then this is the bracket. Also, this one goes on the back. It has this bolt joint. And then you can mount this anywhere you want. Okay. So put those 2 of those screws, and then just pop this in. And this one allow you to rotate. Well, it doesn't lock in, so allow you to rotate different angle. Okay. It's kind of stiff, but yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. Too bad it doesn't have like some kind of lock mechanism right here. So when I move around, it doesn't move or shift it to a different position. But anyway. Oh, by the way, I got this for total kit is $51.29. Okay, in case you want to know how much I pay. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Like always, peace.